Southeast D.C. has more people renting homes and apartments than any other quadrant. That's according to the think tank D.C. Policy Center. It was also hit hard during yesterday's flooding. So here's a question. What happens if you're a renter and your place floods? So tonight we're verifying, does renter's insurance cover flood damage? Now, to get the answer, our Verify team reached out to FEMA, the agency operating the government's National Flood Insurance Program, and some of the biggest insurance providers. Now, turns out most renters' insurance does not cover flood damage to your personal items like TVs, furniture, carpets, or rugs. Even if your landlord has flood insurance, it doesn't cover your stuff because flood insurance only covers the damage to the house or apartment's structure. So we can verify, renter's insurance is not going to cover your stuff in the event of a flood. You'll need to buy a flood insurance policy with an insurer that participates in the government's National Flood Insurance Program. Listen, fake news is flooding your social media feeds. Have you got something you want verified? Find it, reach out to me directly with those questions. I'm on social media, Facebook and Twitter at Adam Longo TV. I'm on Instagram as well. You can also email the whole team, verify@WUSA9.com. What is